What's up guys, it's Ben from Theme Park Groupie. I just got off of Pipeline for the very first time. I didn't know what to expect. It's my first ever standing coaster because I'm a Floridian and we don't have any of those until now. I underestimated how much airtime there was actually gonna be and your feet come off the ground. I'm not gonna lie, the sitting situation was a little uncomfortable. Once I first got on there, I had to adjust a little bit and it was just fine. But once I got off the ride, my collarbones were a little uncomfortable. So just know it's a pretty tight squeeze in there to make sure you're safe. It's not that big of a deal. It's just, you forget all about it when you're on the coaster. It was so much fun. I really think this is an excellent addition to not only SeaWorld Orlando, but to Florida in general. I really do thank the SeaWorld Orlando team for inviting our channel out for Media Day. If you are coming from out of town to the SeaWorld Orlando area, check out our link from Wonder in the description. You can price match for different hotels in the area, and I guarantee you Wonder is gonna save you more money than booking through these hotels directly. So I would definitely suggest giving it a shot. Let us know in the comments when you plan on checking out this brand new surf coaster. If you guys did like this video, go ahead and like and subscribe. Thanks for watching Theme Park Groupie.